Hello, welcome AEP 800 students. My name is Darcy Hawker and I'm going to be your adjunct for this very quick course that begins June 3rd and ends June 30th, I believe. I apologize in advance. I have been cleaning our basement. We have water in it and looking a little crazy today, but I really wanted to touch base with you. The first reaction when people take this quick course is there are 20 modules and I'm not going to have time and this is going to be crazy, but I just want you to know that it is very doable. A lot of these assignments are project based. So if you're expecting a tutorial and then you do something, that's not how this course is set up. I'm a facilitator. I will help you with anything that you need help with, but there is a degree of productive struggle that comes with this course, and that's what we're wanting you to get as an educator. If you think about our students, when they want to know how to do something, what do? They go to YouTube and they figure out how to do it. So there's a lot of that goes along with this course. And then by the end of the course, you're going to be like, I did it. This is awesome. But it is a very uncomfortable feeling. So I want to be forthcoming with you about that. For instance, the first project-based assignment that you're going to do really is this YouTube video that you are creating. While I will accept your video if it's not uploaded to YouTube, I am going to encourage you to go ahead and set up that YouTube account because you will use it for future assignments. So make sure that you have that set up. Creating this video, talking, that's very uncomfortable. Obviously, I mean, look at me. It's a little uncomfortable for anyone, especially looking the way that I do. But, don't be afraid of it. This is how our kids communicate with each other. So just make sure that you have an open mind. When I'm looking at assignments, as long as you're within the parameters, you will do perfectly fine. I promise you that. So I want you to enjoy this course. One of my favorite assignments is Mod 15. And what you are going to do is using your screencast and your YouTube, you're going to create 5 tutorials on applications that you have found on the internet that you love to use. That's probably the best assignment that we can give you, is just sharing of resources. That's 21st century learning. We also focus on those ISTE standards, so that's something that I want you to become very aware of when you're doing assignments. Every assignment requires the ISTE standards and then a TPACK standard also, which is a competency standard. The reason that we do that is so that you can use those standards, be aware of those standards, and you're going to be adding those within your written submissions and also within your assignments. So if you have any questions at any time, please email me. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me because I have it linked to my handy dandy phone. A little bit about me. I know this video is all about the course, but a little bit about me. I spent 17 years teaching kindergarten. I was an after-school coordinator for 5 years. I taught middle school, like a STEM lab. I spent the last 3 years as an instructional coach at a school of about 650 for Gary County, and then I'm going to embark on a new journey in the fall as an assistant principal at Marlatte in Manhattan, Kansas. So, and then of course I have taught this course for, oh gosh, I think it's been 5 years. So I love teaching this course. I love to get to know my students, and I really truly hope that this is a great experience for everybody. If at any time I can make this experience better for you, please let me know. I'm not offended in any way. Back to the personal, I have 2 kids. I have a daughter that is going to be a senior at Washburn University and a son that's going to be a senior in high school, so it's going to be a busy year. today. I've been married to my husband for 24 years, so that's huge. And I have two dogs. I have a black lab, Katie, and I have a German short hair named Bocephus. So that's a little bit about me. I love my summers, but I also love connecting with my students. So again, if there's anything I can do to make this journey better for you, please let me know. It's a fun course and you're going to get a lot out of it, I promise. So I can't wait to connect with everyone, and I hope that you enjoy the course as much as I enjoy facilitating it. See ya.